Hello guys, so today we have a new product from Saramonic. Yeah guys, but not this Saramonic guys, not this Blink 500 B1. Actually, we have an update version of this Blink 500 B1, which is the Blink 500 B Pro B1. So eto siya guys. Di ba? So eto siya. Kasi hindi ako focus on it. Pero eto. Again guys, we will check, we will unbox, and we will show you what's inside the box of this one. And we will check also the quality of this microphone. So stay tuned guys. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So at least you'll be updated for every new product that we have here in AB World regarding photography, videography, microphone, or etc. So again guys, stay tuned. And again guys, so let's start unbox this new Saramonic Blink 500 B1 Pro. So ayan guys, check natin. Actually guys, they have two types of this. You have one transmitter and the other one you have also two transmitter with one receiver. So first we will unbox and we will check the quality of this one receiver and one transmitter, which is the B1. Guys, so ganda ng packaging niya, napaka unique, silver. So yan. So compare for the previous B1, the size of the packaging and the box, this is more bigger, the Pro, compared for the old version, it's a bit smaller. Actually we're using this B1 guys. So ito nga ang pinaka box niya. It's only a brown box. Yan, makikita nyo dito, you have the name here, the Saramonic Sound Remarkable. Diba? Sound Remarkable daw. So, eto guys, ito na ang laman ng ating Saramonic Blink 500 B1. So, of course, you have some sticker here, warranty card, and you have your manual here guys for the Blink 500 B1. So, yun. And, ayan, para siyang router. Ang laki guys. Okay, so this is the Blink 500 B1 TRRX. I think this is the charger. Yes, at the same time also your holder. So ito, may mga accessories pa rito. And down, we'll check the accessories. And yun lang. So, yan, ang laman ng Saramonic Blink 500 B1. So you have accessories here, cables, and your lavalier microphone. So yeah, this is your lavalier microphone. You have here the TRS to TRS cable and another TRS to TRRS cable for your mobile. Yeah. And we have two separate USB. One USB-C to USB normal and micro USB to USB. I think this is the one you will use for the mic. That is old style. So again, we'll check. And ayun, you have also here the dead cat. So if you want to use the mic itself, not this Nick mic, then you have also here the dead cat to put on your main transmitter. So, ito nga guys, I think it's a charger and a case. So, oh, nandito ang buttons niya, open. Then you try to open, yeah, so, okay siya guys. At similar, you have a case. At the same time, you have also a charger. Yan siya guys. Okay, so both of the transmitter and receiver, it's charged by micro USB. So, kaya pala there's a micro USB for charging. So, the charge case is USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. I don't know why they put a micro USB instead of USB-C. Because the first version, actually guys, is a USB-C type charging. For the first version, you don't have also this screen. Just a normal plain black, yeah, plastic black. But from this Pro version, you have already an small LCD panel. So maganda rin siya guys. And I think this is more smaller compared for our first version. So i-check na natin side by side the size and the quality. And again guys, this Pro version, you have this microphone, so you can attach this dead cat, similar with the Rode Video Micro Plus. So ayan, ganyan mo lang siya guys. So di ba? So you have already a microphone. Lavalier, actually it's not a I don't know if it's called lavalier. It's the box that size. I don't think it's a lavalier type, but it's a wireless microphone that you will attach on your near on your mouth. So ito guys, this is the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro B1. So yan guys, check this one guys. If you will put the device, the transmitter and the receiver, actually you have already named it here, transmitter and receiver, TX and RX. So transmitter, you'll put from transmitter, and this is from the receiver. It's charging guys. So actually this one is a power bank because it's charging. Even if you're not connected by USB-C to any power device or power supply, it's charging by itself guys. So this is not just a case, a charger, and also a power bank to charge these two Saramonic transmitter and receiver. So it's cool guys. I think this is better compared for the first version, because every time you will charge and discharge, charge and charge. This one at least you have a case, or you have your case, or yeah, and at the same time you have also a power bank to your device. So again guys, for the next clip, we will try and we'll check the quality of this Saramonic Blink 500 Pro B1, and we will try to compare for the first version. So stay tuned on that. I think 40 to 50 feet from the camera. So ayan, eto sa dibdib ko yung Saramonic. So ayan, try natin, and we will check the sound quality later on the post process. So again, we will try again to a different scenario, a different area. So ayan, let's check this Saramonic Blink 500 in outdoor. So tara. Hello guys, so again, this is the sound quality of the Blink 500 Pro B1. So eto, nag-scooter tayo, tapos punta tayo dito, maingay sa area na to. So again, this is the sound quality of the Saramonic Blink B1. So yan guys, check na lang natin mamaya kung anong quality nitong Saramonic Blink 500 B1. So muna ako. And again guys, so again, let's recap. This is our Saramonic Blink 500 B1 Pro we're currently using now as the for this microphone, for this video clip. And again guys, let's recap what's the upgrade version from the previous one, Blink 500 B1. First, you have already your hard case, a case which is actually power bank and power bank and a case at the same time. So similar with the DJI Osmo Pocket case. Yeah, it's also a power bank for your device. So again, and also you have already LCD screen from the device. So again guys, you have already LCD screen from the device, and the third one, you have already monitoring input from the receiver. So this is three main update for the device. So again guys, I think that's it for today. Ayun, if you want to check the availability of this product, maybe we'll see, maybe next month or a couple of months, or yeah, we'll check guys, because now we have only the demo unit. So, and again guys, so if you want to know the price of all the Saramonic devices that we have, you can check to our website www.aabworld.com. All the categories of microphones we have already there. So again, if you want to be updated regarding product from Saramonic or any product microphones that we have in AAB, you can check or log in or sign up to our newsletter in AAB World. So again guys, and that's it for today guys. So flex time. Maraming salamat sa ating mga subscribers. So thank you sa mga walang sawang nagsusubscribe sa atin dyan, sa mga nanonood at naniniwala sa ating channel. At ayun, mag-update pa tayo ng mga maraming products, mga new products regarding photography, videography. Because every week, every month guys, merong bagong products sa regarding photography and videography. And also, my personal sneakers. So gagawa tayo. Baka bukas o siguro i-upload natin yung isa pa naming video regarding Sony A7C, because we receive already stock of Sony A7C for body and with a kit. So again guys, I think that's it for today, and flex time. First, I want to flex again ang ating director na si Brian Puntanar. So check nyo yung channel niya guys, huwag nyo kalimutan channel guys. And also my team, which is Team Positive. So shout out to all the admins and members ng Team Positive, and ang ating team dito sa Kuwait, which is sa PBK o Pinoy Vloggers Kuwait. So shout out to you all guys, kay Palabi OFW at sa mga tropa pa natin dyan sa PBK. So again guys, may pahabol pa ata si kasi meron siyang old old, grabe maka-old. Yung previous version nito, meron siya guys, si Palaboy na itong B1. So tanong natin si Palaboy kung anong masasabi niya dito sa new version ng microphone. Bay, sa may kasturya mo sa new version ng ating microphone. Ay, ano? Kat ano? Bisaya.
So maganda yung yung bagong microphone ng wireless Blink 500 Pro TX and RX, because may case siya, charger to ba ito
Charging hard case. Parang yung alam mo sa DJI natin. Similar with the DJI. Parang ganon style, di ba?
So may built-in siya charger.
Case at the same time sa power bank charger para sa device.
Tsaka maganda niyan meron siyang may out siya sa monitoring, sa receiver. Yung pinaka-the best doon. Dito wala Pero maganda yung quality nito, pero syempre habang nade-develop siya yung mga product natin or ng Saramonic. So, may dinadagdag sila.
May dinadagdag, yes. Actually, kinabit namin dun sa yung transmitter para palumpalo yung natin, di ba?
Yun. So yun lang. The best tong bagong labas. Pero medyo may kamahalan ng konti.
Oo. Di pa namin alam ang presyo, pero
ang pinakagusto ko dito boss yung yung monitoring.
Monitoring.
Yun yung importante.
Lalo na kung ang camera mo wala ding monitoring.
Oo.
Ito ang pinaka the best option. So maganda sa akin to. So Bri, gusto mong mag-donate.
The best.
Oo.
Huwag niyo kalimutan Palaboy OFW.
Yo.
Pinoy Vloggers in Kuwait. Alright. Thank you, boss Brian.
And again guys, so I think that's it for today. Again, our product for this vlog is the Saramonic Blink 500 B1 Pro. So yeah. So guys, close up natin ulit, diba? Yeah. Oh, diba? So that's it for today. And flex ko lang ulit last, si Mama Cheng Combo. Maraming salamat sa paggawa ng cartoon art dun sa aking profile pic. So ang ganda, malupit. Ito yun. Oh, diba? Astig siya, diba? So ayun, maraming salamat. Mama Cheng Combo, mabuhay ka and mabuhay tayong lahat. Thank you.